Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we are going to make a cheese grater towel holder. Gonna need a piece of pallet wood, mine is 17 inches, a cheese grater, I got mine at Goodwill, some black chalk paint and white chalk paint, and some towel or a towel of your choice and florals of your choice. First thing I did was take a piece of cardboard and shove it into the top of the cheese grater. Next, I took some black chalk paint and painted the entire piece of palette. Thing I did while I had the black chalk paint out was paint that piece of cardboard that I stuck in there because it happened to be green, so it was showing through and very noticeable. So I painted that with the black chalk paint just to cover it up so it wouldn't be so noticeable. I didn't worry about the green coming through on the back side because that's the side I'm going to glue to the board, so you won't even see it. And you want to leave some room at the top and some room at the bottom, and then glue it somewhere in the center. You want the towel to kind of hang a little below the piece of wood. So you want to hang it or center it somewhere where the towel will still hang low. And all you're going to do is use your glue gun and glue it down. Next, you can add any florals of your choice. This one happens to be spring flowers, and you can add a towel to match. You can make this your own, whatever florals you decide, whatever towel you decide, make it match your decor, or you can change it out for the seasons. Like here I'm doing sunflowers. Then I added a towel that I got with sunflower on it from the Dollar Tree. And you can really play with this and have fun with it and, you know, make it your own. See how cute that is? And then the next one, I added some summery flowers, like some geraniums, and then I added a black and white towel. This project is so cute, so easy, so cheap. I mean, you can find a piece of scrap wood, and I got my cheese grater at Goodwill for $1. It was pre-painted black, but that's okay. I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project, and don't forget to sprinkle.